scariest verses in the Quran. Hellfire will say, Hal min mazid. Allah, give me more. I'm hungry, Ya Rab, give me more. I'm not full yet, Allah, give me more. But there's no one left. So Allah will take his foot. Yes, Allah has a foot. We don't know how his foot looks. We affirm the name as he told us, but we don't know how. Do I have a hand? Yes. Does the clock have a hand? Yes. Is my hand and the clock's hand the same? No. Allah has a foot. Allah's foot and our foot is not the same. So don't think to yourself like that. Allah will take his foot and he will place it in hellfire. Allah will have to place his foot there. And then the hellfire will become full and it will say, Qat, 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 Ya Rab. I'm full, enough, 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 enough. And then hellfire will become full. And what does it want? It wants those people that are arrogant. Those people that walk on the streets with their trousers sagging low. Those people who walk into a room with their head up high, thinking that they're something. But in reality, they're nothing.